Now then, do you remember how to say to see in Spanish? Ver.
Ver.
So how would we say, I want to see it today? Quiero verlo hoy.
Quiero verlo hoy.
You've probably noticed that the I form of a verb, the first person singular, usually, but not always, ends in an O. So how would we say, I see? Yo veo.
Yo veo.
I see that you're busy. Yo veo que estás ocupada.
Yo veo que estás ocupada.
I see that you want it. Veo que lo quieres.
Veo que lo quieres.
You see, as you may have guessed, is ves.
Ves.
Do you see? ¿Ves?
¿Ves?
And how would you ask, do you see that it's not possible? ¿Ves que no es posible?
¿Ves que no es posible?
She or he sees, following the usual pattern, is ella or él ve with no S.
Ella ve.
How would we say she sees that it's impossible for me? Ella ve que es imposible para mí.
Ella ve que es imposible para mí.
Do you remember how to say I can? Puedo.
Puedo.
I can do it. Puedo hacerlo.
Puedo hacerlo.
He sees that I can't do it. Él ve que no puedo hacerlo.
Él ve que no puedo hacerlo.
Can you see my car? ¿Puedes ver mi coche?
¿Puedes ver mi coche?
And how about she can leave? Ella puede salir.
Ella puede salir.
We've seen the verb want before, but not the infinitive form to want, which in Spanish is querer.
Querer.
How would we say, I want a Coca-Cola? Quiero una Coca-Cola.
Quiero una Coca-Cola.
And how about, do you want to have dinner now? ¿Quieres cenar ahora?
¿Quieres cenar ahora?
Does he want to know? ¿Quieres saber?
¿Quieres saber?
She can leave when she wants. Puede salir cuando quiere.
Puede salir cuando quiere.
As we've already mentioned, there are two verbs in Spanish to express the verb to be. The distinction between the two is tricky to grasp for foreigners learning the language, though for the moment all we need to be aware of is that estar is used for temporary states or physical location, whereas the verb ser is used to identify things or people. Do you remember right at the beginning of the course how to say, for example, I am Maria? Yo soy María.
Yo soy María.
The way to say you are, or indeed the question are you, is eres. Eres. So how would you say, are you Jessica? ¿Eres Jessica?
¿Eres Jessica?
And the way to say he or she is es. Es. So how would we say he is David? Es David.
Es David.
And how about the question, is she Carolina? ¿Es Carolina?
¿Es Carolina?